Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to delete a credit card of your account, of your Steam account. So this is an easy process to do. The only thing you need to do is open your Steam app, your Steam desktop in your PC. And after that, you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of your account here where you got the profile here in detalles de la cuenta. This is a details account, and here in details you got this all the information. And when you got a save a credit card, here you got the option of delete that credit card. I don't have a credit card saved, but when you are here and you got if you got a credit card, you pick in delete pay method, a payment method, and that's it. You complete the process. So this is the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.